Now, let's remind what is the prime factorization and how can we find the prime factorization of a number from 3 digits as you asked me. Now, if you have number 315 as an example here, okay, you want now to write two factors that when you multiply them, you get 315. One of them, you have to know something that since the number here is started with 5, now as you know before, I will remind you, if the number, the first digit is even, so it means it can be divided by 2. Now, if it is start with 0 or 5, so it means it can divide it by 5, sorry. If it is started with 0, it can divide it by 10. If it is the summation of the digits are multiple of 3, so it means it can be divided by 3. Did you remember that? Here now, if the first digit is even, it's divided by 2. If it is 0 and 5, it's divided by 5, the first digit. If it is 0 divided by 10, and if the sum of the digits are a multiple of 3, so it's divided by 3. Now look at here. What is my first digit here? It's 5, is it right? What is my first digit here?
5.
5, bravo. So now, since the first digit is 5, so one of their factors is 5. Then here we have 315, I will divide it by 5 in order to know which is my second factor. Now, 31 over 5, what is the closest number that when you divide by 5, you get 31 or near it?
By 6.
6 times 5? 30. Then now the remainder is 1.
5.
Then you add 5 down. 15 over 5?
3.
3. 3 times 5? 15. So here the remainder is 0. So what is my second number? 63. Now then, I will go now here to find, or to give me now, so by this way, I can now make it easier. Now find two factors of 63. Two factors of 63. Yalla, give me two factors of 63.
63.
7
Nothing.
and 9. If you multiply 7 times 9, you get 63.
Yeah.
And then, is 7 a prime number?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I have to stop here. Now, is 9 a prime number?
No. 3 by 3 equal 9.
Yes, 3 times 3 equal 9. So here we have 3.
The teacher will complete by 9. And 3 is a prime number.
So now, so here we have to stop here. So what are the prime factorization of 315? They are 3 times 3 times 5 times 7.
5 times.
Got it now?
Yes, got it, but teacher, if we have like maybe let's say 200, how can we solve it when we have two zeros?
Now, if you have 200 as an example, I will solve another example here now. Here, what do we have now? We have 200. Now, give me two factors. You multiply them, you get 200.
2 factors, we multiply them.
Now, since it started with 0, So I will say that one of their factors are 10. So when it starts with 0, so it can divide it by 10.
So teacher, if it starts by 0, we have to put 10?
Yes, so one of them is 10 and the second one will be what? What the second factor will be?
It will be, you mean?
Try 20. Okay, because here when you divide 200 by 10, 0, cancel 0, so we have what here is remaining? 20. So now we have 20 and 10. Now, two factors of 20. 5 and 4. 2.
5 and 2.
And 20.
5 and 4.
5 and 4. Now 5, I have to stop. 5, I have to stop. 2, I have to stop. But what about 4?
4 we will complete.
We will complete, yes, 2 and 2. So what are the prime factorization of 200? They are 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. And are the 3 2s here we have. 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5.
20, I cannot understand how.
Sorry?
The 20, how did we take it?
This is an example, extra example.
Yes, but teacher, I'm telling you that here in the right we have 10 and in the left we have 20. How do we have 20?
Here, just divide 200 by 10. Hello, one of their factors, they must be 10. Now divide 200 by 10. 20 over 2 is 20 over 10 is 2. So 2 times 10 is 20. Then I added 0. It's going to be up. So just divide 200 by 10.
Thank you, teacher.
Yeah, welcome. Now, let's solve this example here. Use the table for 17 to 19. Agent Sanchez must enter a code on a keypad to unlock the door of her office. They told me that the code number rules that from here, okay? The code is a 4-digit number. So there's a code, you need to enter it now in order to enter or to open the door of the office. The code must be 4 digits and it must be a prime number. And the prime numbers are entered from least to greatest. And the code number is changed at the beginning of each month. So here, it must be 4 prime numbers and repeat and order from least to greatest. Now look at number 17 here. In August, the digits of the code number are the prime factors of 150. So after they multiplied them, they found that they are 150. So what do I have to do first? I have to find the prime factorization of 150. Now, what is the first digit here of 150?
It's
0. So one of their factors will be 10. And what about the second one?
Can it be, teacher, 10 and 15?
And it could be, yeah, bravo, 10 and 15. Now then, give me two numbers. When you multiply them, you get 10.
It's 2 and 5.
2 and 5. And 15?
3 and 5.
5 and 3, bravo. So here what we have 4 digits. So they are 4 digits? Yes. They are a prime number? Yes. Now I want just to rewrite them from least to greatest. I mean 2,
it will be
3,
2, 3,
5, 5. If I enter now this number, okay, the door will open in August. Look at how. Now how can I check? Just multiply 2 times 3 times 5 times 5. 2 times 3 6 times 5, 30 times 5, 150. So yes, their multiplication is 150. They are 4 digits. They are prime numbers, and they are ordered from least to greatest. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Now let's go to the second one here.
Teacher?
Yes.
We have to put the 10 we have to put at the right 10 and at the left 15, right?
Yeah. You can put another. You can put 2 and 75 as you want. But the most important, the product of them is 150. Now, number 19 here. One day in October.
Teacher, why did we do number 18? I
choose 17 and 18. Now, one day in October, agent Sanchez enters the code 3477. How do you know if this code is it's incorrect and will not open the door? They tell me that this code is not correct. Why?
I think we should go and multiply the 3 and by the 4 by the 4.
Why it's not correct? Look at the rules of the code number here. Do we have a 4 digits?
It's a 4. Oh, teacher, I know why. Because 4 isn't a prime number.
Bravo, thank you so much. Because 4 here is not a prime number. So that's why this code is not correct. So, because 4 is not a prime number. What's your name? Who answered this question?
I think the algorithm just 5
Amis,
seconds.
who said because 4 is not prime?
It's me, Jumana.
Thank you, Jumana. I want to know your name.
Yeah.
Is it clear now?
No, teacher, cancel the right.
Sorry?
And teacher, if we said that, for example, we will divide the 4 and we will make it
I don't understand.
It will not be a 4 digit.
Yeah, but it has to be now 5 digits. It cannot be 4.
Yeah. So that will make a problem.
Teacher, what is number 18? Which number 18?
Yes, I chose Miss 17 and 19.
Miss, I don't understand number 19.
Number 19 here, we have the code 3477.
Yes.
Okay, 3477. Now, it's not correct. Let's see why. Is it a 4-digit number? Are they 4 digits?
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Are they entered from least to greatest?
Least to greatest?
Yeah.
Yes.
3, 4, yes. So all the digits a prime number?
No, 4 is the
No,
prime number.
it's not a prime number. So that's why it's incorrect.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, I got it. Thanks, Miss.
Okay. Yeah.